back at you with Little Tig here. Everybody can see that Little Tig got a bandage up on top of his head. Mama Tig done popped that pumpkin for him for throwing them Legos out in the middle of the floor. Yeah, he threw them out in the floor the other day, and I stepped on one, and I about run through the door. Then I was hollering so much, Mama Tig come running up there, and she said, "What in the world is wrong with you, Tig?" I said, "I stepped on a Lego," and she come over to check on my foot. Now, I'll be damn blamed she didn't step on one also. And man, she jumped so high, and I didn't even know this, but Mama Tig wears a thong. Man, that was a scary sight, trust me. Sure it was, what? Yeah. And after she stepped on that thing, she went and got her ball bat. She come back in there, and she hit Little Tig in the head. You see that big old knot on his head right there? Yeah, that hurts, don't it? Yeah. She got a hold of him with that baseball bat, conked him on the head. And then she took off running back down the steps. I'm glad she didn't hit me on the head, because that hurts. But, yeah, Little Tig knows what it's like now. Because she knows that Little Tig's the one that put them Legos out there on the floor. So that's what you get. Oh, I bet that hurt, didn't it? It did, yeah. You got a big old knot up there on your pumpkin. That's alright then. But anyway, if you get a chance to, never, ever, ever step on a Lego. Never. Them things hurt. Trust me. You laughing at me? What are you laughing at me for? Because I stepped on a Lego. You think it's funny when Mama Tig stepped on that Lego? I didn't think so. Because she'll put another knot. She'll put a knot over on the other side. She sure will. But anyway, there you have it. Little Tig throwed all the Legos out on the floor, and me and Mama Tig both stepped on them, and it hurts. Oh, it hurts so bad. But anyway, y'all stay out of trouble, and we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all be good now, you hear? Really? Little Tig said he's going to come over to your house and throw some Legos on the floor and videotape you stepping on them. Yeah, it's going to be funny. Alright then, we'll see you next time. Y'all have a good one. Bye.
Hey!